Perl Tutorial Part 12, the while loop and the until loop. The while loop will execute a condition while that condition remains true. So this is the form of the while loop. So while something in between these brackets remains true, we will do something in these brackets. Now, while loops, there's really no way to do a while loop without doing a counter. Well, there possibly is, but generally not. So we've got a counter here, as you've seen, and we can set that to 1 or 0 or whatever number we like, really. So while count is less than or equal to 10, let's print hello. And of course we need to increment our counter automatically at the end of each loop. So while count is less or equal to 10, print hello, count plus plus. So starting from 1, while 1 is less than or equal to 10, print hello. That'll change the 1 to 2. While 2 is less than or equal to 10, print hello, etc. So let's run this. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hellos, which is what we wanted from that. So that's a basic while loop. Now we can apply a while loop to arrays. We can print out arrays with the for each loop, as we've seen before. Now let's create an array. Of animals. So to create our while loop, we need a counter. And we'll set our counter to 0 because arrays are indexed from 0, so that makes it easy. And at the end we will auto increment our counter. So let's while count is less than or equal to how many things in our array? There's 5, but we actually call it 4 because we're thinking back 1 because we're starting from item 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. While count is less than or equal to 4, print our array items. So array count on new line. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, frog, dog, cat, bird, elephant. That's printed out each thing in our array. Now we might not know how many things are in our array, so earlier on I've shown you how to acquire the number of things in an array. So let's run this. Frog, dog, cat, bird, elephant. So it does the same thing, although this is a much better way of doing it because at some stage later on we will be getting to arrays with hundreds or even thousands of pieces of data, and we don't really want to sit there and count them, so this makes it easy. Okay, and I'd now like to show you the reverse of the while loop, and that's the until loop. So using the same array, let me copy it again down here. Using the same array, the until loop executes code while the condition remains false. So again, we need to have a counter, so count equals 0, and we need to increment our count automatically at the end. Okay, so to loop through this array until something happens, we'll print out items from the array. So okay, I will put a new set of brackets in here and type in array. So for each of these items, array count. So we're going to go through these. So until one of these items equals bird, we'll print the items out. Okay, so until frog equals bird, well, it doesn't, print frog. Until dog equals bird, print dog. Until cat equals bird, print cat. Until bird equals bird, well, it does, so until that happens, it's going to stop this loop there. So we're going to print out frog, dog, cat. Until one of these equals bird, we'll print each one out. So let's run that. Okay, yeah, frog, dog, cat. So we could set this to cat, and we'll get frog, dog. Frog, dog. If we want to print all of them out, we can just empty that. So until one of these equals nothing, so basically until it gets to the end, print them out. And frog, dog, cat, bird, elephant. So that's the reverse of the while loop, the until loop.